The Skullcandy Dime. 3 wireless earbuds are small yet powerful, providing clear sound, smart connectivity, and all-day convenience. Ideal for workouts, commutes, or just enjoying your favorite tunes on the go. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Skullcandy Dime 3 earbuds. Charging case. Extra ear tips. Charging cable. And user manual. How to wear. Place the earbud in your ear at an angle, rotate slightly to secure, and ensure it feels comfortable and stable. Make sure the ear gel creates a good seal. Try different sizes for the best fit and enjoy up to 8 hours of playtime. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. How to pair. Open the settings and go to Connect Devices, then select Pair a Device. Take both earbuds out of the case and hold the clickable panels for at least 4 seconds simultaneously. The left earbud will start flashing red and blue, indicating pairing mode. Finally, select the earbuds from the Bluetooth list and tap Pair. Smart features? Up to 20 hours of total battery life keeps your music going all day with 8 hours in the earbuds and extra power from the case. With rapid charging, just 10 minutes of charge gives you around 2 hours of playback when you're in a hurry. Connect to 2 devices at the same time and switch between them seamlessly without reconnecting. Perfect for moving from calls on your phone to videos on your laptop without any interruptions. If you ever lose your earbuds, the built-in tile tracking lets you easily locate them using the app. You can even make them ring or see their last known location to find them quickly. Designed with IPX4 rated protection, these earbuds can handle sweat, splashes, and light rain during workouts or daily use. This makes them a reliable choice for gym sessions, outdoor activities, and active lifestyles without worrying about damage. Stay Aware mode lets you hear your surroundings while listening, making it safer for walking, jogging, or conversations without removing your earbuds. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Beats Studio Buds Plus earbuds from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Skullcandy Dime 3 wireless earbuds. See you at the next one.